Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today's a very exciting day because the house is done.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Amanda and this is Caleb. And we are a husband and wife team from Ohio who just bought their very first flip home. Come and join us as we document the process of demoing, designing, and building a beautiful home together. We are so glad that you are here.
So today we're going to take you on a little tour of the house, show you a lot of the before versus the after, and kind of talk about the things that Caleb did in the house. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the exterior of the house. Obviously the major thing that has happened or changed is the paint color. We painted, oh, I say we, but it's him.
Well, you did for 1 second.
For 1 second. We painted the exterior brick. Power washed all the
Power washed everything, redid all the gutter boards, all that good stuff.
Yeah. Obviously too, we took out all of the overgrown bushes and plants and vines and all of that. So it's all open. Which yes, we did not plant anything, but it also is November in Ohio, so it's too cold to actually plant anything. So it's just it's a clean slate for whoever wants to come in here, and in the spring they can make it look
however
beautiful.
they want.
Yep. Okay, so let's go on inside. Come on inside. Here it is. So in this space, this is the living room right when you walk in the house. Caleb took out the old, disgusting, broken window. That was huge, but he put a nice new window inside. We put recessed lighting in, which makes this whole space so much brighter and so much nicer. Anyway, also a big change is the new floors, which are throughout the entire house. They turned out so nice. Yes, let's go to the kitchen. So this is my favorite space in the entire house. Turned out absolutely beautiful. So we got quartz countertops, which turned out so pretty, and I definitely think it's worth the money to upgrade. Caleb designed this because the back of cabinets, it was just nothing. So he did this design on it, which I think is really nice, and some bar stools right here will be beautiful. Also, we put this like, what do you call this like?
I don't know, maybe like farm, no, like industrial?
Like an industrial kind of light. But anyway, we got this, love this over the island space.
Thank you, Joni, for the light.
Yes, we actually love it. It turns out very nice.
It really works with this.
One of my favorite features in this entire kitchen is this pantry space. I love all the storage that this offers.
Because it had none, like, not a pantry otherwise.
Yeah, there's no place for like food storage, so we needed something, so I love that. Love that the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling too. That adds a lot of extra storage. We went with stainless steel appliances, which are very nice.
Brand new.
Brand new, yes. Whirlpool.
Just took one.
Oh, probably should get some tape off of that, but.
She did this one.
Yeah.
Oh, there's still some up there too. I don't know if you remember originally, we said we were gonna put the wall there. We were gonna put a wall all the way down this. So that would have all been wall, which would have destroyed the kitchen. So we put the pantry, or the laundry over there, which made it a whole lot more normal looking. That's pretty looking.
Yeah. So that was something else with the old house. If you remember, there was an entire wall right here, and laundry was literally dead center of the living space, which was just weird, and it blocked everything off. So it's nice that it's all open now, and the laundry being right there left us a lot of space for all the kitchen cabinets and stuff there. So anyway, I really
it looks awesome.
This is like.
This looks really good.
I wish I had this kitchen in my house now.
Oh, well, in the house now?
In our current home. So anyway, this is where the laundry space is. We have all the hookups and things for that, so very nice. Much better than in the middle of the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And now on to the family room. So this room, if you remember, was really dark and gross and dirty. But the biggest change here, flooring, paint, and recessed lighting, which made it, again, so much brighter. The recessed lighting made a huge difference. Yeah. And that was one thing I wasn't really sure about adding, so I was like, that's a lot of cost. But I'm really glad that Caleb pushed for that because it looks amazing. So Oh yeah, we had the fireplace checked out, so it is functional, so it has a working wood burning fireplace. And then this takes you to the backyard, which if you remember, this was a weird like glass enclosure that was basically falling apart anyway. And they took all that down. They got the weird outdoor green carpet out. And now it's just a really nice big patio space.
Yeah, it's huge.
Partially covered, partially uncovered, which is actually really nice depending on the season. So yeah.
Yeah, check it out.
Very
Partially
nice.
covered, not covered.
Oh yeah, that big, they took out the big deck back there that was falling
Deck's
off.
gone.
Oh.
Okay, now running away from the children. Let's do something else.
Okay, to the first bathroom. Giant transformation in here. We have a very nice vanity, which we got off Bid FTA for like 300 bucks. It's the marble top, soft close drawers, and super nice. Found this nice little mirror on Amazon, light from Menards.
Still need 2 bulbs in it, but that's fine.
Yeah.
And watch what this light does when you turn it off and back on. Night light mode.
Night light mode.
It's epic.
It's actually really nice.
I like the lighting
Yeah.
when it's like that.
So super nice bathroom space. Bedrooms are pretty simple. Flooring, paint, you patch the holes in the ceilings, things
That's
like
about
that. So bedrooms are pretty simple, but obviously look so much better and just cleaner. That's a big thing. This house feels so much cleaner than it did. So bedroom number 2.
This is the, I'd say it's almost the same size as the master. Almost.
Not small.
It's a little smaller. But again, the bedrooms weren't too much of a change.
And then master bedroom. Again, mostly, well actually no, this one, they had to go in the floor and fix on the, like under the house stuff, so they did that. So it's all nice and level now, so it's good. And the teeny tiniest bathroom in the world. But you have your ensuite, which is nice.
Yeah.
So new vanity, new toilet, new mirror, new flooring. Wow, it's really warm.
It's warm in here.
We just cleaned up the shower space because it's tile, so we decided to keep that and clean it up a little bit.
Just put some new handle, new head on it.
Yeah.
Clean that from what it was before. That is 1,000,000% better. There's the big garage, 2-car garage, really tall ceiling. Here's another cost we didn't really think of. We upgraded the box because it had like this many breakers in the old one. And now we have a bunch of those and then a bunch of extra spaces if anyone ever does anything else. Plus we replaced the line that went outside because we knew the inspection would kind of ding that because of the casing being off the wire.
So anyway, that's basically the gist of it. We bought this house, 3 months ago, but we didn't start renovations until about 2 weeks after buying it. So it took about 10 weeks
Yeah, probably
from
total.
start to finish. I mean, this was a fun experience. It was good.
There wasn't anything that was like super terrible.
No, so everything went pretty smoothly. So anyway, if you're interested in this house, or you know someone who's looking for a house, we are listing this house for $260. It is on Decker Road in Franklin, Ohio. I think we're gonna try to maybe do an open house, maybe.
If it's not under contract or anything by that point. It'd be nice if we didn't even have to.
Yeah. So
You would like it a lot if you came here and saw it. So just come see it.
yeah, we'd love to take you around if you're interested in seeing it. So anyway, if anyone would like to see this house or you have any questions, just send us a message. We would love to talk to you. Yeah, nice job. You killed it.
We did great.
You did great. Yeah, anyway. Is this it? You got anything else to say?
That's it.
Okay.